Is Vital Health really the breakthrough natural supplement company it claims to be, or just another MLM scam dressed up with fancy tech buzzwords? Operating through websites like vitalhealthglobal.com and vitalhealthint.com, Vital Health markets supplements made with so-called advanced nanotechnology and lures people in with a business opportunity based on affiliate and network marketing. But when you dig deeper, several red flags emerge that you should consider before jumping in. First, their medical claims lack any solid peer-reviewed scientific backing, which makes you question the actual effectiveness of their products. Pricing is another mystery. There's no clear retail price, which undermines transparency and trust, especially when earning commissions requires an auto-ship subscription. Although registered in the US, Vital Health operates mainly out of Mexico, adding to the uncertainty. The business model puts heavy pressure on bulk purchases, with little evidence that these products actually resell well, and the compensation plan seems to rely more on recruitment than real product sales, resembling a pyramid structure. On top of that, there are ongoing legal issues tied to similar MLM companies like Pruvit and Melaleuca, which raises concerns about Vital Health's long-term stability. Claims about manufacturing standards, labs, and registrations remain unverified, so it's hard to say if the supplements meet quality expectations. Ultimately, while some people may find value in the products or business, this opportunity is far from straightforward. Make sure you thoroughly research and weigh the risks before investing your time or money.